Yuda Yuda, Donnie using the Kimi no Nawa song, the song they used during Bingley's first dance as a married couple. I'm gonna go and cry to think this was the same song that was playing during Bingley's wedding. Pila sa mga naghihintay na lang ng kasal. Ang meaning pala ng song ay... Sabi nga ng isang netizen, si Strawberry Jam, the song talks about a couple who take the opportunity to kiss, to confess their love, and explore the unknown together. Inuunti-unti na tayo ng Donbell. Ayon nga sa kanyang pinatugtog na kanta ay words like tomorrow or future or fate. No matter how far they extend their hands, we breathe, we dream, we raise our love and a timeless land that is far out of our reach. Even the second our hands of the clock, they look at us sideways as they tick and tack. How I hope to have forever to spend this life, no all future lives right here in this world with you. Naman, Donnie! Donnie's song choice for his birthday greetings for Belle. Dinadaan tayo sa ibang language para di halata. Grabe kayo, Don Bell. Kasalan na ba tayo?